Hello friends, this video is on Uttarashada Nakshatra because presently two of our major planets, Jupiter and Saturn, they are retrograding in the Nakshatra of Uttarashada. So friends, it is really the high time to know this Nakshatra because Jupiter is transiting through this Nakshatra. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel so that you will get latest notification regarding my video uploads. Uttarashada Nakshatra. It is spreading from around 26.40 degree Sagittarius to 10 degree Capricorn. It is a important nakshatra because Jupiter is getting debilitated at around 5 degree of Capricorn. And in current transit also, both Saturn and Jupiter, they will be retrograde around this nakshatra, around 5 degree of Capricorn. So before going into the transit detail, let's understand the nakshatra first. Uttarashada nakshatra is always associated with victory. Purvashada is early victory and Uttarashada is the later victory. It is the joy part of the victory. If you own a place, the joy part is connected with this Uttarashada nakshatra. Purvashada is quite connected with the planning part, planning to a war, planning connected to that war. But Uttarashada, you fought and won the war and enjoying the victory of that war. The planet associated with this nakshatra is Sun, and one correlation is that Sun is getting Digbala in this nakshatra because Uttarashada is in the sign of Capricorn, which is the natural 10th house, and Sun is getting its Digbala in the 10th house. The deities associated with this nakshatra are Vishwadevas. Here we can say 10 Vishwadevas are coming together in this nakshatra and guide the native how they will win this war. And the symbol associated with this nakshatra is elephant tusk. So if someone in his birth chart, some prominent planets like 2nd Lord, 11th Lord are placed in this nakshatra, and those person, if they are having some dental issues, that means there will be some financial issues. If 10th Lord is associated, if there is some problem in the if there is some dental issues, then there will be some problem in their offices. In this way you can correlate the nakshatra symbol to their life. Next is the animal which is connected with this nakshatra is Mongoose. Mongoose is really a great fighter. He knows every tricks and techniques how to fight with a snake and won the war. So all the things which are associated with this nakshatra is how you can program your mind to win this war. And the nature of this nakshatra is a permanent type. So you can begin everything in this nakshatra. You can start everything in this nakshatra because this will give you a permanent result. Presently, Saturn and Jupiter, they are conjoining in the sign of Capricorn. So what does that mean? Saturn is an outer planet which shows restriction, boundaries, structure, organized, discipline, sorrows. It is a slow moving planet. And Jupiter represents our wisdom, our gurus, our teachers, our knowledge, spiritual knowledge, religion. When these two planets, they are conjoining in the sign of Capricorn, which shows by hard work we can find a guru. By facing difficulties or sorrows in our workplace, we can find the guru. We can find the higher knowledge. Or we can have a higher knowledge about our profession. When these two planets they are retrograding in the sign of Capricorn and in the nakshatra of Uttarashada, I feel that it may be a boon, because when planets are retrograding, they will give you certain type of experience which make you more flexible. So in this period, we may get certain disturbance in our work life or in our workplace, so that we can able to learn the basics. As it is happening in the nakshatra of Uttarashada, which is a Dhruva nakshatra. So by correcting those things, we can get a permanent result. By correcting those things, we will definitely get a permanent result, because Uttarashada nakshatra shows victory and it is a permanent time. When Saturn and Jupiter, our wisdom and hard work, both are retrograding in the sign of Capricorn, which is the 10th house. So we need to we need to revisit our basics in our workplace, so that we can get excelled in our workplace. So friends, do utilize this time. Friends, utilize this time, because Jupiter and Saturn, they will give you certain scenario in your workplace, so that you will need to focus your basics in your workplace, and this will develop you certain skill which will make you excel in your workplace. Vishwadevatas are the deity of this nakshatra. So one need to be truthful in their workplace. One need to keep their promise in their workplace, so that they will get the help from the Vishwadevatas. Friends, what I feel, this transit may be a boon to all of us who believe in hard work. We need to focus on the basics during this transit, and need to strengthen our basics, so that we can excel in our life. Friends, this is all about the current transit in the nakshatra of Uttarashada. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.